Imagine never worrying about running out of space. Welcome to the world of cloud computing. Today, we compare cloud solutions to on-premise storage. Ultimately, you'll see which option saves you more in 2026. First, let's define both terms. Cloud computing means renting storage and services online. You access them via the internet, without physical servers. On-premise solutions involve buying and installing software locally. You own the servers and manage everything yourself. Now, let's look at costs. Cloud services typically have monthly or annual fees. You pay for only what you use. On-premise solutions require a large upfront investment. You buy hardware, software, and pay maintenance fees. Next, think about scalability. Cloud services allow easy expansion. As your needs grow, you can upgrade quickly. On-premise solutions require more time and effort to scale. You'll need to purchase more servers and software. What about maintenance? Cloud providers manage hardware and software updates for you. This saves your team time and resources. On-premise solutions require in-house IT staff for maintenance. These ongoing costs can add up quickly. Let's consider security. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures. They may offer better protection than most companies can afford. On-premise solutions give you direct control but require constant vigilance. You must allocate resources to protect your data effectively. Now, let's explore reliability. Cloud services offer built-in redundancy and backup options. If one server fails, your data stays safe elsewhere. On-premise solutions depend on your infrastructure. Downtime can lead to costly losses. Suppose you run a startup. Your needs might change frequently. Cloud computing can adapt seamlessly to these changes. Conversely, an established enterprise may favor stability. They might opt for on-premise solutions to manage their data securely. In summary, cloud computing offers flexibility and lower initial costs. It's ideal for businesses needing quick changes. On-premise solutions provide control but require more investments. Assess your business needs carefully before deciding. Evaluate your growth plans for 2026. Consider whether you want flexibility or control over your data. Choose wisely, as it can significantly impact your budget and operations. Ready to take the next step? Explore cloud providers for a trial. Or consult an IT expert about on-premise solutions. Make the best choice for your success.